back to Cooking with Veronica. Today we are going to...
Forgot what we're doing already?
Today we're going to compare two different steaks. Picanha, a Brazilian cut of meat that I already showed here before, and New York strip loin.
We're gonna see today which cut is actually the best cut of steak. We're gonna prepare them the same way. We're gonna do them both on charcoal barbecue, season them the exact same, and then see. Taste test.
Let's see.
First, we're gonna garnish the steaks with salt, a heavy amount on both sides, and then we're gonna press the salt in to make sure that it's well seasoned. Once we add the coal to the barbecue, we're gonna let it heat up a bit. Once it's hot enough, we're gonna open it up and place our steaks on the grill. We're gonna let them cook on each side for 5 minutes.
Which one is better?
Yeah, I can already tell which one is what though. This one's the Picanha, this is the New York. They're cooked slightly different though. The New York is a little too thin.
Yeah, well.
But it's I mean, it's still gonna taste good. It's just a little more well done. All right, I'm gonna go New York first. You go New York first?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Oh, you didn't wait for me.
Sorry.
Wow.
I'm hungry. It's almost melting in my mouth.
Yeah, it's like butter, right?
Wow. It's going to be hard to decide.
Yeah, so you've been missing all these years? Just eating picanha. So picanha it is. Let's try.
Medium, I'd say.
This was because it's medium, that's the way I like it, typically.
Yeah.
Tastes, it's a little juicier, but but the New York strip loin, even though it's more well done, it's like butter.
Yeah,
it's very like, it's amazing. It melts in your mouth. You don't even want to, like, you want to just swallow it right away, but you keep chewing because you enjoy the flavor. Yeah.
Oh well, I have to agree that New York strip loin.
Is it better?
Yeah, it's better. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And let me know in the comments which one you think it's better, if you have tried both. And I see you next Thursday.